You're having a few friends over to watch the game, and you need another appetizer to round out your food table. Well, we got you covered here at A Side Guy Cooks With Sweet Potato Empanadas. So let's get started. Let's prepare the sweet potato filling. Let's make the empanada dough. Let's build the empanadas. Set your timer for 25 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Many historians believe that empanadas originated in Galicia, Spain in the 7th century. They are typically made by folding a dough over a filling, such as meat and or vegetables, then baked or fried. Those look great right out of the oven. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. These empanadas have a crisp, slightly crunchy exterior. The warm, soft interior is a combination of sweet potatoes with a hint of spice. The result is a delicious, sweet and spicy, earthy flavor profile. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like everybody's having a great time. And of course the table looks amazing. Stay with us. Watch the next video.